Hey there, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. Today I'm adding a few fresh updates for spring to my bathroom, and I thought that I would share it here with you just in case you were looking for some ideas to freshen up your bathrooms this season as well. Bathrooms are spaces in our homes that we spend so much time in, as you know, and I truly believe that it is the little things in spaces like this that will make all of the difference in how we experience it every single day. I also believe that we deserve to have a peaceful, elevated, and luxury-like experience. Today, I'm going to show you how I achieve that with very simple updates, things that do not require any renovations or major changes. Just some thoughtful details with a few spring touches sprinkled in. I have already cleaned, decluttered, and organized my bathroom here recently with you. So if you've missed those videos, I will have them linked in the description box below. Now let's get to decorating. If you've watched my organization videos or my past bathroom videos, then you know that I like to keep my essentials, my skincare pieces, those items right here on the countertop. But I also like to keep those things either on a really nice tray or in really nice containers, something a little more elevated, much like these great glass containers that I use for my cotton swabs and my cotton rounds. I found these on Amazon a few years ago, and if they're available, I will have them linked for you. I've also decided to use this soap dispenser that I found on Amazon for my micellar water. I have this soap dispenser by my sink, and I thought that this would just be a really nice touch. Instead of keeping the micellar water bottle out that's not so cute, this would be a really great alternative, and it'll look nice on my counter too. If you've watched my previous videos, then you know I have some beautiful monogrammed luxury bath towels from Frontgate that I absolutely love. They are still my favorite bath towels that I've ever invested in. But every now and again, I like to add a couple of seasonal towels to the space just to brighten it up. So I'm adding these towels that I found from HomeGoods today. I also think picking up some fun seasonal bath scents is a form of self-care. At least it's a little luxury that I like to enjoy. And I think it can go a long way if you try to live intentionally through the seasons like I do. I grabbed a couple of shower gels, seasonal hand soaps, and a lotion at Bath & Body Works when I was out and about recently, and I'm just so excited to use them in here during the springtime. I try to keep the products in my shower intentional and organized, so I just have the things in here that I know I will use every time I shower. I do not like a cluttered shower, but I do like to have all of the products that I like. I think it's very important to know what you like to use and keep them stocked. Right now, I want to quickly share a brand with you that I get so excited to talk about here on my channel, and that is Kitsch. They are the sponsors for today's video. I was someone who, over a year ago, was having a lot of trouble with my hair. I bleach my hair, so I can be hard on my hair, but I had an incident in the salon where my hair actually got over bleached, and I had a ton of breakage. I've been bleaching my hair since I was 16. I'm going to be 40 this year, and having that happen to me recently in the past few years was really hard because that hadn't happened to me before. And I am very, very particular with how I care for my hair. I know how damaging bleaching and coloring your hair can be at the salon, so I baby my hair outside of the salon. I make sure that I take care of it, I protect it. I just really struggled with that breakage, and I knew that I needed to find something that would help me regain the hair health and the hair growth that I had had before. So I decided to go ahead and try the Kitsch shampoo and conditioning bars. I started with their rice water protein bars. Those were the first ones that I tried, and I loved them so much that I decided, okay, I'm gonna try their purple toning shampoo and conditioner bars, and I also loved them, and I've been hooked ever since. That's what I use on my hair. Not only has my hair felt healthy and strong ever since I started using these bars, I also feel like the purple shampoo, toning, and conditioner bars keep my hair vibrant. Look at this. I went to the salon. It's been a little bit. I have a little bit of root. My toner looks the exact same as it did the day that I left the salon. It is just as vibrant, just as bright, and I've washed my hair about, I think, 4 times since. If you're a platinum blonde, then you know with each wash, that toner slowly strips away, and these shampoo and conditioner bars keep my toner so vibrant, keep my hair so healthy that I feel really great. I get to my next appointment and I don't ever feel like my hair is dull. My hairdresser says all the time, "Hey, your toner stayed so well." I'm like, I know, it's kitsch. I'll show you mine quickly. You can see the current ones that I'm using are very well loved. They also smell amazing. Every time I smell these, I want to wash my hair. I truly believe in their product and what it has done for my hair and my hair health. So anytime I get the opportunity to share with you, I like to do so. I will be sure to leave a link in the description box below and a QR code right here on the screen. If you use one of those, it will automatically apply my 25% off discount. With my discount, these bars come out to $11 a piece. I think $21 for the set. So they are priced so incredible for the quality of the product that you get. They ship to over 90 different countries, including the United States and Canada. They have sold over 16 million of these shampoo and conditioner bars, so I am clearly not the only one that loves their product. Anyway, if you are looking for hair care products that you are going to love, definitely suggest trying Kitsch. One thing I like to do in this space is add an actual area rug in addition to the bath mats that I use. This one is just such a great find. I've had it for several years now. It's large, but it's washable and has a rubber bottom just like most bath mats. So super easy to care for and it's great for the bathroom. Also, it's really soft, which I love. I'll be sure to have it linked in the description box below. I also like to change up my bath mats from time to time. I found these pretty mint green ones in a set of 2 at Home Goods. I think they're perfect for spring. I also think they're great for the color palette that I typically go with in here. I recently decided to add this nightstand that I used to use in my bedroom. You might recognize it from old videos. This is an older nightstand. I decided to put it here in the water closet. I don't have any storage in this small space, and I really wanted a cabinet here to keep things like back stock of toilet paper, tissues, and bath products. This works perfectly, and I think the mirrored piece looks really pretty in here too. I also love that it gives me an opportunity to add another little vignette to the space. It's always nice to have something pretty to look at when you're in here, you know? I love personal touches all over my house, things that mean something to me, but especially in my personal space. So filling it with pictures of my pups just makes me so happy. I, of course, had to update the house with a few new frames and some pictures of the 2 newest members to our Fur Baby Club. Spring decorating is not complete without spring florals. I am using 2 of my absolute favorite faux florals from Amazon, these faux tulips and then also faux roses that I just love. They are so lifelike, real touch roses and tulips. And I'm coupling them with 2 of my great grandmother's crystal pieces, so it makes it extra special. I do like to have real flowers in my bedroom and bathroom, so I will be switching these out with some fresh blooms after I make my next grocery store run. These faux florals will do for now. One thing that I think really makes personal spaces like this feel special are the small touches that are just for us. I like to add things that I think are pretty and functional, like a nice jewelry dish, this vintage tray that was my great aunt's, which is also perfect for spring with the butterflies. I am adding a few little sprinkles of spring decor to finish the decorating in this space today. Of course, I cannot forget the bunnies. You gotta have a couple bunnies around. This rolling cart is one of my favorite things to keep in the bathroom. I've mentioned this before because I find it so functional. I use it to move things around in here when I'm cleaning. I've used it to store extra necessities, and I also love using it as a little spa night cart just to house everything I might use for a spa night, which is how I'm setting it up right now. The last few things I want to share with you here today are the things that probably make the biggest impact on a space like this because they are functional and sometimes overlooked necessities. One thing about me is that I have a trash can in every space for everything. I love these countertop ones for my vanity. The older I get, the more I also think that you can never have too many laundry baskets. At least I know I can't with all my dogs, but I found this really pretty one at Home Goods. If you want to elevate a room instantly, I always say focus on the lighting. A little luxury that I recently discovered thanks to Instagram was this shower lamp. I think it's viral over there. This on in the shower in the evening with no overhead lighting is such a relaxing experience. I now cannot shower without it. I also have some rechargeable lamps around in here that are really convenient and also lend to that calming and relaxing ambience that I want in here, especially in the evenings. Well, this is where I'm going to leave you. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will, of course, be back very soon with more spring and Easter decorating for you. I'm a little behind this season with the new puppy dog, but you know I'm not going to miss an opportunity to decorate here with you. So I will be back with lots more spring decor and inspiration to share with you. So I hope you'll join me. Until I see you again in the next one, take care and happy decorating.